Are you thinking of becoming a house flipper in Canada? Well, there's a new anti-flipping tax coming into play on January 1st, 2023, and here's what you need to know. Now, this doesn't only apply to flippers, it also applies to homeowners looking to own their property for less than 1 year. Let's take a look at the details of this tax and what it could mean for you. So let's jump over to stories.com and Ottawa to implement Canada-wide anti-flipping tax. This was back in April 7, 2022, but since it's coming just a few short weeks away, let's see what it entails. And the proposed tax included in the 2022 federal budget was put forward by Minister of Finance, Chrystia Freeland, and it would affect homeowners who sell a principal residence that they've held for less than 12 months. According to the budget, the profits from this type of sale will be taxed as business income, a change from the current Canadian legislation, which allowed a capital gains tax exemption on all principal residences. So property flipping, buying a house and selling it for much more than what was paid for just a short time prior, can unfairly lead to higher housing prices, and some people who engage in property flipping may be improperly reporting their profits to pay less tax. The 2022 budget proposes to introduce new rules to ensure profits from flipping properties are taxed fully and fairly. Now, not every sale made within 12 months of purchase would be subject to the tax, and there are some extenuating circumstances that may cause a homeowner to sell within a year of buying, such as the birth of a child, death, disability, new job, divorce, which would allow them to be exempt. According to the budget, these exemptions will be set in forthcoming rules, and Canadians will be consulted on the draft legislative proposals. This new measure will ensure that investors who flip homes pay their fair share while protecting the current, vitally important principal residence exemptions for Canadians who use their houses as homes. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments down below on if you think this is also going to help with the affordability. And that's what all these new rules are trying to accomplish. The other one we heard that might come into play next year at some point would be the end to blind bidding, and a seller would have the choice on whether to enter blind bidding or open bidding for the sale of their property. Now, if you ever want to book in a call with me, hit the link in the description down below and book in my calendar anytime. I am trying to get to 100 subscribers on this channel, so hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get this video out to more people like you trying to educate yourself on the Toronto and Ontario, and in this circumstance, Canadian real estate market.